Okay, what I've done is downloaded the PowerPoints. So if you need to print them out, there you go. I know you said you didn't have a printer at your place, but they're there for you. Right here, I've put the data files. This is under your week 2. Okay, so what you want to do is go here. This will open up right here. Click on student data files. I always do it in a new link. You can download what you need. I just put bulk download for all chapters. What we'll do is download it. Right here you can see it already downloaded. Go to this one right here. And where was it? 1. Okay, and you can see the bird. There's the bird JPEG for you. Right there. Okay. So save that to your desktop in a folder or, flash drive, whatever works for you. All right. Good luck.